In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails using classic Mailchimp with the Classic Builder. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to efficiently reach out to a large audience without the hassle. Let's get started by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, head to the top menu and click on Campaigns. This is where all the magic begins. Next, we're going to create a new campaign. Look for the Create Campaign button and give it a click. You'll then want to select Email and choose the Regular Email option. Here, you'll need to give your campaign a name. This name is just for your reference, so you can distinguish this campaign from others in your dashboard. Now, let's select your recipients. In the section labeled To or Recipients, you'll click on Add Recipients. From here, you'll see your list of subscribers, which Mailchimp refers to as your audience. You can choose to send your emails to all subscribers, or if you're looking to target a more specific group, you can choose a particular segment or tag. This feature is especially useful if you want to tailor your message to a specific audience, such as by a tag, interest, or even geography. Next up is the From section. This is where you specify the name and email address that your recipients will see. Make sure the name you enter is recognizable to your audience, like your business name or a brand name they trust. Also, double-check that your email address domain is verified if the system requires it. Moving on to your email's subject line and preview text. Enter a compelling subject that encourages your subscribers to open the email. Optionally, you can add some preview text. These few lines will appear in your subscribers' inboxes before they open your email, so make sure to craft text that intrigues and provides a little tease on what the email contains. Now comes the exciting part: designing your email. Click on Design Email, and then choose the Classic Builder. Here you can pick a template, whether blank or one that matches your style. You'll then add text, images, links, and whatever else your heart desires. With Mailchimp, you have a lot of flexibility, so play around with formats until you're happy with the outcome. Before you send your email out, it's crucial to review your settings and tracking. Make sure features like open tracking and click tracking are enabled, which they usually are by default. Ensure that your email has an appropriate footer and an unsubscribe link, although Mailchimp typically handles these automatically. Once you're satisfied with everything, head over to the Send section. You can opt to send your email right away by selecting Send Now, or if you prefer, you can schedule it for a later date and time. Keep in mind that the scheduling feature might require a paid plan. After sending, check back in your Campaigns list to view the status of your email, whether it's sent or scheduled. Finally, it's always a good idea to look at your campaign reports afterward. You'll get valuable insights, such as open rates, click rates, bounces, and unsubscribes, which can guide you in optimizing your next email campaign. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to sending bulk emails using Classic Mailchimp.